Today, we're talking about something na super interesting at ayun yung bakit ba yung mga Pilipino, they are perfect for Meta Ads freelancing. Hello guys! So welcome dito sa channel ko kung saan pinag-uusapan natin yung e-commerce, freelancing, Meta Ads at yung mga paraan paano ba kumita online. So kung bago ka dito, hello! Ako pala si Junji and I help freelancers and business owners make money using meta advertising. Meron din po akong sariling e-commerce business company dito sa Pilipinas. Now, quick disclaimer lang, lahat ng isi-share ko dito na success stories ko, hindi siya overnight success. Marami rin po tayong failed projects, ang dami ko rin pong beses na na-reject, at marami rin akong trial and error bago ko nakuha yung mga results ko. So whether freelancer ka, business owner, or nasa corporate ka ngayon, tapos gusto mo mag-explore ng ibang income stream, then this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. Freelancing. Kung maririnig mo yung word na freelance, baka iniisip mo agad, kaya ko to. Side gig lang naman yan eh. Pero let me tell you, freelancing is actually a full-on business. Hindi lang siya yung way to earn extra money on the side. Freelancing, it means you offer your skills or meron kang service to clients or businesses para ma-solve mo yung problems nila. Yung problem na to can be anything from helping them get more sales, ma-improve yung online presence nila, o kaya makapag-create ka ng better marketing campaigns. Basically, kung meron kang kayang gawin na makakatulong doon sa negosyo nilang yun, you can offer that as a service. Simple as that. Now, dito pumapasok yung mindset differences. Many people still think na freelance lang ako. Bahala na sa client ko anong gusto nila. Sa akin yung best freelancers kasi, they treat it like a business partnership. Hindi parang employee. Ibig sabihin, you set your own rules. Yung sarili mong terms. And most importantly, you focus on giving value muna. Pag nakita naman ng client na, oy, ito kaya niya, nasusolve nito yung problema ko, they will pay for your service. And trust me, they will pay you well. Pero, as long as you help them get closer doon sa goals nila. So now na naiintindihan mo na yung freelancing, let's focus on one of the most in-demand skills in the world of online business, Meta Ads. So sa Meta Ads, this is how businesses put their product or yung service nila in front of the exact people na most likely to buy or get their services online and at scale. Example meron kang maliit na shoe store, bibenta ka ng sapatos. So you know kung sino yung target market mo. Millennials ba? Mga mahilig ba sa stickers? So si Meta Ads, it lets you show yung product mo na yon directly to those people. So the better the ads, the more likely na bibili sila. So that's it, di ba? Very simple lang. Now, yung Meta Ads freelancer, this is someone who helps business owner do exactly that. Magke-create ka ng ad, magta-target ka ng right audience, tapos i-analyze mo lahat ng results mo and make adjustments so that yung mga businesses, magkaroon sila ng mas maraming benta. Pag mas maraming benta, they make more money sa business nila na yon. At ikaw, yung role mo is to solve that business problem of not getting enough customers. Kapag nag-work yung ads na sinet up mo, alam mo mangyayari, the client earns more. And also, ikaw, as someone na nag-run ng ads sa kanila, you earn more. Win-win, di ba? The reason why Meta Ads is so valuable ay dahil every business needs it. Whether it's a local restaurant, an online store, even nga yung mga international brand na companies, kailangan niya ng kliyente, kailangan niya ng customer. And right now, most business owner, hindi nila alam paano mag-run ng ads effectively. So kailangan nila magbayad ng isang tao who can handle it for them. At dun ka papasok. Pwede kang mag-work for local or even international clients. That means, kahit na nasa Pilipinas ka, pwede kang mag-earn ng globally competitive rates. Let's talk about yung mga potential earnings naman. Yung mga beginner freelancers, they can start small, maybe around 20,000 to 35,000 per month. But once na matutunan mo na how you can actually make money for a business by understanding their sales processes and setting up yung mga ads that brings in results, pwede ka mag-scale to 50,000. Kung gusto mo 100,000 per month pa nga, At alam mo ba na once your campaigns are set, tapos nagpa-perform siya, pwede ka mag-manage ng multiple clients at the same time. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Mag-multiply din yung income mo. Ngayon alam na natin what Meta Ads freelancing is. Let's talk about naman yung global opportunity for you. Bakit ko nga ba sinasabi na perfect yung meta advertising sa Filipinos? Dahil kung hindi man lahat, most businesses kailangan ng benta para mag-survive. And yung meta ads, it's one of the fastest ways to get it. Kung dati, pwede kang mag-rely sa mga walk-in customers, pwede kang mag-flyering namimigay ng flyer sa labas. Now, lahat ngayon online na. Mas madami ang pwede mong maging potential customers. Dito ka napapasok as the freelancer. Yung maganda kasi dito, yung mga companies or business or yung mga clients mo, they no longer need employees sitting in the office. Tas type-type lang naman ginagawa. Ang kailangan nila, results. As long as kaya mo makipag-communicate clearly with them, ma-manage mo yung campaigns at magpasok ng benta. Pwedeng leads or traffic sa kanila. Pwede ka magtrabaho sa kwarto mo sa Manila or kahit saan. Kasi may wifi ka. That is why Filipinos, they are naturally perfect for meta ads freelancing. I'm talking about mindset, adaptability, communication, work ethic, and global reputation. So breakdown lang natin siya ha. So unang reason why Filipinos are naturally perfect for meta ads freelancing is because of clear communication skills. Maraming businesses sa ibang bansa, nag-i-struggle sila maghanap ng mga freelancers na kayang makipag-communicate sa kanila clearly in English. Lalo na with the clients from the US, sa UK, or Australia. Pero alam nyo ba na yung Pilipinas, pang 28 tayo, out of 123 countries assessed doon sa recent English Proficiency Survey na conducted by Swiss firm EF Education First. Ibig sabihin nun, may high level of proficiency in the English language ang mga Pinoy. So from casual convo hanggang sa professional emails, kaya natin i-explain yung strategies natin. Kaya natin i-report yan at yung results natin, ma-communicate natin in a way na naiintindihan talaga ni client. Kasi yung mga clients, hindi lang naman sila basta-basta nag-hire lang ng someone na marunong mag-run ng ads. Yung mga hina-hire nila is yung kaya makipag-communicate sa kanila effectively. Kapag kasi na-feel ng client na naiintindihan mo siya, mas malaki yung chance mo na maging long-term client siya at willing magbayad ng premium rates. At sa totoo lang ha, when it comes to English communication skills, sa ating Pinoy lang naman na big deal yung wrong grammar. When you talk to foreigners during discovery call naman, or ito yung meeting with potential clients, to basically ask for their problem or ano ba yung mga help na need nila, wala naman silang pake if wrong grammar ka as long as nagigets nila yung points mo, di ba? Pero kung hirap ka pa rin talaga at ayaw mo mag-English, pwede ka rin naman sa mga Filipino business owners at may pera pa rin naman sa local market. Kwento ko lang ha, back nung 2018, nung nagsisimula ako mag-freelance, yung clients ko mostly foreigners. May client ako sa Australia, sa US, sa UK. And sobrang tempting kasi dollar at saka euros yung income ko. Pero minsan, mahirap para sa akin talaga communication. Lalo na kapag heavy yung accent, hindi ko naiintindihan. Kasi iba yung lifestyle ko. Dati kasi yung working hours ko, umaabot ako hanggang 3 AM eh. Kaya wala akong friends to hang out with. Kasi sometimes I need to work their time zone. Kasi after work, tulog tapos pagising mo, kakain ka lang, tapos magre-ready ka na ulit sa work until na-realize ko na gusto ko ng freedom. Gusto ko ng, alam mo yun, yung control sa oras ko. So ang ginawa ko, from international clients, nag-try ako maghanap ng mga Filipino client. Maraming nagsabi sa akin na, uy, wag. Kasi mahirapan ka mag-charge ng premium kapag local. Kasi nga barat daw pag local client. Pero kasi ako, alam ko yung value ko that time. Kasi enrolled ako sa mga meta ads program sa ibang bansa. And at the same time, nag-a-attend din ako ng mga workshop to continuously learn. Hindi rin naman kasi madedefine ng nationality mo, ang value mo as a freelancer. So yung ginagawa ko, alam mo yung mga ads na nakikita mo sa Facebook and Instagram, pini-PM ko yun until I closed a deal. And guess what? Yung first high-paying client ko, locally ha, I charge 50,000 pesos for one project. Pangalawang reason why Filipinos are naturally perfect for meta ads freelancing is because of cultural adaptability. Adaptable tayo. Kaya nating maintindihan yung mga Western culture, trends, humor, at yung buying behavior. Mukha lang siyang simple pero technical-wise, very critical siya ha pag nag-run tayo ng meta ads. Pag nagsusulat ka ng copy or nagsiset up ka ng creatives, you need to speak the customer's language. And because we are exposed doon sa global media, nanonood tayo ng mga movies, social media, and pop culture, we can create ads that resonate with international audiences. At nakikita yan ng clients. Kaya marami sa kanila ang mas pinipiling kumuha ng Filipino freelancers. Kasi we get their audience mindset na hindi na kailangan ng matagal na adjustment. Yung next na reason why Filipinos are naturally perfect for meta ads freelancing is yung strong work ethic ng mga Pilipino. We are hardworking. Alam nyo yan. Madalas pa nga na we are willing to go the extra mile just to meet yung deadlines at masolve yung mga business problems nila. At importante yun sa meta advertising. And alam mo kung bakit in demand tayo mga Pinoy globally? Kasi we are highly reliable. At kapag reliable ka, communicative and focus ka doon sa results, yung mga clients, hindi siya aalis sa'yo. At madalas sa madalas, i-refer ka pa niyan. Kahit nga wala ka pang 1 year sa kanila, i-increase na niyan rate mo. Another reason kung bakit perfect ang Filipinos sa meta ads freelancing is because of our value. Marami nagsasabi na yung mga Pinoy daw, we are cheap. Pero let me reframe that. We Filipinos are cost competitive while delivering high value. Dahil mas mababa ang cost of living natin, nakakapag-offer tayo ng premium results sa mas abot kayang rates kumpara sa ibang bansa. Think about it. Clients want someone who can maximize their ad budget, makapag-test ng campaigns, makapag-optimize ng ads, and actually grow their sales kahit na hindi pa malaki yung binabayad nila sa simula. And that's exactly what Filipino freelancers do. So instead of thinking na cheap ka, isipin mo na value provider ka. You're giving results. You're solving problems and helping businesses make money all while being efficient and reliable. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-overprice agad. Quality, reliability, value, that's your advantage. Yung sunod na reason why Filipinos are naturally perfect for meta ads freelancing ay mabilis tayong matuto. And ito yung isa sa pinaka underrated na advantage. Kasi ito, let's be real ha. So umpisa, nakaka-overwhelm naman talaga. Nakaka-intimidate naman talaga si meta ads. Kasi pagpasok mo, makikita mo agad. Ang daming campaigns, ang daming parang kailangang pindutin, anong gagawin sa budget, paano yung results. Para ang daming kailangang aralin. Pero yung totoo kasi, ang kailangan mo lang, marunong kang sumunod sa process or sa rules ni Meta, marunong kang mag-try, at marunong kang matuto sa ginagawa mo. And dito pumapasok yung strength nating mga Pinoy, na kapag tinuruan tayo, mabilis tayong makagets agad. We are fast learner. Kahit beginner ka ngayon, kahit anong age mo, kapag na-practice mo to, nag-run ka ng ads, nagkamali ka, natuto ka, after ilang weeks or months, magugulat ka na lang na basic na sa'yo yung ginagawa mo. So if iniisip mo ngayon na, hindi naman ako techie or baka hindi ko kaya to, alisin mo na yung ganyang mindset. Kasi hindi naman kailangan magaling ka agad. So ituloy-tuloy mo lang yung pag-aaral mo, at you need to commit to learning. Pero don't sell yourself short ha. Kasi being Filipino is actually your edge. Kaya position yourself na kaya mong mag-dominate ng freelance market, locally or kahit internationally pa yan. If you ever feel hesitant or parang feeling mo undervalued ka, remember this. Your skill plus value plus mindset equals to premium clients willing to pay. Pwede ka naman magsimula sa maliit muna. Focus on delivering measurable results and leverage mo yung strength na meron ka. Hindi naman lahat naghahanap ng murang freelancers. Pero lahat, they're looking for capable problem solvers. And Filipino fit that role perfectly. Kaya kung gusto mong matuto ng meta advertising at paano ba i-apply ito, pwede ka mag-join sa free community namin. Nagko-conduct ako ng trainings at live sessions para tulungan ka sa targeting, sa budgeting, at optimization ng ads mo. And even, paano ba humanap ng kliyente. In this community, we help business owners or tulad mo, aspiring freelancers, whether you are just starting out or already running a business, to learn step by step paano ba mag-run ng ads profitably. So click nyo lang yung link sa description dyan sa baba. Let's grow your business together gamit si paid traffic that is fast, measurable, and ROI focused. In our next video, we'll talk about how to start your journey, actionable steps to get clients, at paano mo pa mapapractice yung skill mo and begin your freelancing career with confidence. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss yung tips natin that can really level up your business. So see you sa community!